Welcome back, Zingers, to Webinar 2.0. This is the second part of probably a 5-part series of my trading rules, BigBeat trading rules. So today we're going to have 3 more rules coming to you, and the first 3 are called the market doesn't start at 9:30, have a thesis, and learn technical trading. Alright, number 1, the market doesn't start at 9:30. Pretty simple. It means kind of get up early. You know, you got to get the head start, get your coffee, get your hot tea, and be prepared for the market. You have lots of news coming out. You don't want to wake up at 9 o'clock and hope to catch the news and get ready to go. The chances of that happening are pretty slim. You really want to be up around 6:30, 7 o'clock in the morning in the East Coast time, and you want to be ready to go. You want to have the news ready. You want to have the squawk on, obviously with Benzinga. You want to have our news desk, our news feed running. So it's a pretty big deal to actually be ready to go in the morning. You don't want to be sleepy, so obviously get plenty of rest. Number 2 is have a thesis. So whenever you make a trade, whatever you do, whether you're buying it or whether you're selling or you're putting an option on, have a thesis. The reason being of why you're making that trade. It may be a fast trade, it may be an in and out trade, but you must have a thesis. Why am I doing this? For example, let's say you feel that the retailers are going to push higher over the next few months. So let's look at Walmart and Target and those kind of stocks, right? Let's have a thesis. But when that thesis is no longer valid or you don't believe it's working, then it's time to get out of that position. So you must have a thesis. And of course, the last one here is learn technical trading. Technical trading is very, very difficult at first, but it's actually pretty simple. I expect everyone to learn Japanese candlesticks. What are those little bars and candles and all those little things? What do they mean? I'm willing to teach anybody that wants to learn about Japanese candlesticks or learn technical trading. I'm very happy to do that for you. You can find me on Canly. We have a calendar just for me to schedule time with me if you want. But technical trading is when the news no longer fits the narrative. So when the news moves a stock, that's one thing. But when there's no more news in that position and the market has slowed down, then all of a sudden technical trading takes over. And those are positions based on numerical, maybe Fibonacci or things of that nature. All right, so until next time, we'll see you then, Zingers.